Kulabafowethu igama umbono abamaziyo bamazi ngoNtozabantu. Today nginiphathele a new show that will be I'll be presenting. Ngihamba no Okasiwela la uRemington. The name of the show is Football Fusion. We'll be touching on different topics ahlangane nje ne-football yasemzansi and abroad. Ngizonikeza ithuba ke manje u-co-host uzakwethu la umfokasiwela.
Ishap mofethu kunjani? Ngiyacava igama uRemington ke plazini. Yeah, like my brother just said, so we basically want to be touching on everything football, locally and abroad. Your transfers, whatever you think of. So, okay, let's get to it.
Okay. Cabanga ukuthi la where we can start off.
About very off season.
Yeah, off season njengamanje. There's no much news. In fact, today ibhola siborekile, but what can we say?
Yeah.
I think maybe we can touch base on Ibafana. What do you make of Ibafana's performance? Because it's all Ibidala playing their friendly against Mozambique. Sundownless Bafana.
Don't attack her up, kids.
Sizathini basho njalo.
Okay, Ibafana idlala kawu-2. Kunale Ibafana idlala Khosafa, kunale yaHugo Bros.
Yeah, lega Hugo Bros sizoza kulega Veli.
yaHugo Bros, I like the fact that bekadlalisa abafana abancane.
Yeah.
I've seen like abafana abancane badlala, especially those ones from Pirates.
True.
So performance wise, I think baza khona lentwana lebathi ubani le ngathi yakho futhi
kwayiba yeah,
proper
we'll talk
proper ukuthi manje ilo idlala ke mathuba at some point.
Yeah, at some point
idlala ke mathuba, but hayi yona bifikile.
Yes.
So in terms of that performance, I'm impressed, man.
Nami ingichazile coming to our team izonikeza ne-competition to aboMasangane kanje, because they seem to be.
Was he playing yesterday?
No, Masangane was not playing. He is playing the same position as Masangane. So it's a different dynamic, it's a different player altogether. I was happy for him. Another thing, he was dealing with his future teammates. So why not?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
You'll see. Time will tell.
And then ubani lentwana lekambe edlala Pirates engane. Manje kunomfuking nabani?
Nkotha.
I think he had a good game. He had a good game.
Very good game.
He had a good game, that guy.
Yeah.
So yeah, Bafana overall, I'm happy. But because Sundowns are equal, and to see them win, it says a lot about our football.
Yes.
We're not dependent to a specific team or individual players.
Exactly, as
like
they say.
Yoronwen Williams. So we're doing fine.
Obviously, at the end of the day, we cannot say because the Sundowns are equal. There's no nothing. Kuyabonakala ukuthi ayikho. The performance is not the same, but still the fact that we managed to get, in fact, kule international week, we managed to get a draw and a win.
Yeah.
Remember, some of the players, they don't really play together. So what helps with having Sundowns, it's because they play together.
Yeah.
They just come with a base team yonke, and it helps us.
But another thing that I liked, which those players that are playing currently, like the opportunity by 70s.
That's true.
Because really, that's how you get to be regular. Exactly. You get called up, you show up.
Yeah, but our next squad December father, we expect to see a Nkotha because of what they did.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those guys, if a promises and you wanna play, you can see. So hence I'm saying I was happy with that performance. But taking nothing away from that Mozambican goalkeeper,
how the goalkeeper?
I hope Kaizer Chiefs pay. Hey, that guy. Ubani lo Chiefs odlalela Mozambique.
uDove.
But uDove umtsheli ukuthi asina goalkeeper le team. Make sure.
Audition le.
Make sure.
Yeah,
So yeah, that
that's a
goalkeeper
good
for me
one,
was
eh?
very brilliant. Was very brilliant. Singers, because usually the goalkeeper lava look at Ntwari. So if you get goalkeeper or you get a player from these teams,
Mm.
Mafia in these big clubs doesn't perform.
Yeah, it happens.
Yes.
Fella, playing for a big club, you were once not recognized among the spa. Now everyone wants to,
Yes.
especially because some of the games are very important.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So they would remind you, oh, lapo, and you are just a human being or normal. And some of things like that, is the pressure, kahle kahle. They affect confidence of
Yeah, so hence I'm happy with Bafana Bafana, but not that Bafana Bafana was playing Kosaf.
that.
Ay.
But they
Kwenzakalani?
managed to win their second game there.
Ah, chief. They won the game against Zimbabwe. Then the Anyama drew.
Ah,
And then
shame.
now we had to have calculators and calculate depending on other results to see if we qualify.
Typical Bafana
Don't take us
performance.
back. It
Our
reminds,
old
it
Bafana.
reminds me of that Bafana that celebrated in Bombela that you have qualified to find out they didn't qualify for AFCON.
Jesus Christ.
So I
There's embarrassed
that Bafana is not make sure. And it Bafana guys, Pela sure who pros is watching that Bafana.
True.
Like okay, for example, I'll make example like it's abanye wababiza
Mm.
Milan squad and then manje
Exactly.
badlala ngale like Shabalala.
Yeah.
So they need to raise hand ngale.
True. I mean, another thing that I saw kule Bafana le edlala iCOSAF, I think consistency also ku coach in terms of selection yabadlali. Yabo. There are players who had a good game, even in the first game that we lost that game.
We
Yeah.
lost, yeah.
We
1-0.
had players who had a good game. Got coming to
Second game.
game.
Different
Yeah,
squad.
well, so I think it's not it won't help us with tournament to start rotating there.
Yes.
If we were to rotate, then Kuma friendly is
Kuma friendly
understood.
games.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, that's that for me with Bafana. I'm happy with the run of Hugo Plus. I'm not happy with the run of Kosaf.
Yes.
I don't know, guys. What's your take if you've been watching these games? That Bafana of Kosaf, Aibo. Ube.
Ayenzi ngakho.
Ube pa. I happy guys. Wena, are you happy?
I mean, I know. I think what you are saying, Mpela, angikho happy. Angikho happy
With Kosaf.
with Kosaf Bafana. But it's good that we get to compare them.
Yeah.
Maybe that's another thing, because you see now we can talk about the standard of Safa, because
Why is Gatatangama under 20? We are going AFCON.
that has been my idea, my guy.
Why you want to complicate them?
Like, give them experience. They need that international experience.
Then why not play them?
They have a winning mentality.
Exactly.
What is it that you want? Yeah. Detention. Hello, right? Yeah, we are
proper stuff. Like, yeah, she would see products the Kaiser Chiefs.
Oh, I see a political. Well done. Well done. That's what we want to see.
Not like the whole Bafana that's playing Kosafa, all of them is messing up. Some people you can see they're trying.
True.
Some combinations are some they're just in it for it.
That's what I was saying, Wuti. If ungezokumnikeza umdlali consistent playing time, uzoloku rotate, even if they had a good game, it doesn't help.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's it with Bafana. I don't know. You can comment, guys. What you think? Compare both Bafana Bafanas.
We'll see you on the comments on that one.
Yeah. Moving forward, Baba.
What you have for me? What do we have? Now that we are done with the Bafana, let's move on to transfers that have been happening locally with PSL.
But it's tricky, fella, to talk about these transfers because most of them are just rumors.
It's tricky. You can only talk about those two transfers. Nakona, it's rumor that those Pirates players who were released are going to Chiefs, because there's no official communication from the Chiefs.
dustbin. Sidla ukudla edustbin. I said, cause yo. Yeah,
But
so
what do you make of those two players if they were to
Umarco
come?
and Monyan.
Yeah.
Eish, I think looking at the current squad of Kaizer Chiefs, ne,
Mhm.
and looking at the position Marco, I think Marco can fit.
Yeah, nami ngiyakhala nje. To be
Yes.
honest, ngiyakhala.
but Umarco I heard ukuthi Pirates they offer him a contract.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, no, ngayithatha.
Yeah, I think what he's considering playing time as well, because Uhoto, that one is angazi babizana.
That's one is a soldier. A soldier. He's a soldier.
Ukasongo.
Yeah. Kasongo, yo. So I mean, I think Umarco for Chiefs is gonna be a good addition.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a good addition.
Very good.
Especially Chiefs with the process of trying to build. I think also fit and like
he can actually help you.
Hey,
I'm not sure about Monyana, but I'm happy. Pirates.
Oh,
I feel like
when you're bitter that you've lost players, you let go of players. You don't want to pay players.
Not really. Uyabo ngibhitha mhlambe umuntu engibhitha kuyena uMarco, but uMonyane for me vele
it's your product then development.
ngiyavuma kodwa I think like quality wise kule quality esinayo especially talk umuntu phela ubias. Some will say Dino is not at that level, but now I feel like Dino is our main number 2.
Okay, so it's just gonna be hard for Monyana to play.
Yes.
Okay, then look at Chiefs. Who's their best number 2?
Solomon.
Yo, man. As a kitchen.
Yeah, I think you don't find the balance with Chiefs. You find the player who's good going forward,
yes,
but
can't defend.
Track back even the one and Stromat with them and Monyan, it's still the same thing.
But now you sometimes individual brilliant.
True.
I mean, each and every game was the same flop.
Yeah.
Solomon's back kitchen, man. Every game back kitchen. Aye. Yes, remember, I move.
Yeah.
That's how they pay so good. But why is Faga under pressure when any chief?
True.
So, never individual brilliance goes in.
Yeah, but that I think Chiefs should consider given what they have, types of players that they have. Club system here and they play wing backs where you know very well what a center back that will cover that right back in a way.
Yeah, but
play 3 at the back.
They don't communicate.
Yeah.
You can't say what Solomon is pushing when you must go back.
But you know,
your position there.
No, I think that is a problem now with the modern game. It's the fact that you play according to coach's instruction.
I agree.
And if uzotholakala outside your position, the problem yalokho ukuthi okay, mhlawumbe uzotholakala outside your position and cover. But let's say you try and cover and balithatha ibhola igoli lingene in your position, that's where the problem starts, which means that now wena you sacrificed kufanele silungise lo odinga ukulungiswa hayi wena. I don't know whether that makes sense.
But why ngizobona ukuthi okay siyalimala lapha, why am I not covering?
Phela vele you do
position
in football, but I feel like kune limit with this modern game.
I agree. Yeah. So yeah, but just to touch on those signings, I think they will fit the Chiefs based on squad abanaso.
Yeah.
So in the so with these two, and then the Chiefs come on my transfer. Ulona Ubanlo or Trenda abakhuluma ngayo. I don't know how to spell pronounce it.
Yeah, sorry guys. The Tanzanian guy. Yes, the midfielder.
You saw well in South Africa in Tanzania.
Yeah, I saw him.
What's your take?
I think I didn't see much of him, but he's a good player or player in the middle.
But I'm wondering what udlala njengonjabulo.
Yeah, he's a very good player, and I think It's just that I think Mina, I still need to see more of him.
Yeah, akukhuleka
Yeah, because
uzombona
it's not
natural.
Ebola is not about tripping and passing.
Uzombona natural.
Pela.
Khuleka uzombona natural. Right, tatazela.
Yeah.
Okay, because when you started by transfers that are rumored to be happening at Kaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
Yours in
Let's-
Pirates.
Um.
The only
Other-
team that's actually signing players without a coach.
Yeah. Hey, some of them we haven't seen them playing.
What's happening with your club? Hey. Announce Umandla.
I know. Lapo we have different views.
What's wrong? What's wrong with man?
I think every Pirate supporter would have different view when it comes to coach. We know very well what the management here to hey they will just go and land another plumber. They
So okay.
Yeah,
So at this moment, I will prefer Umandla.
for me, I can prefer Umandla.
Why?
That's my personal opinion. From the previous stint Abanaye England.
In the four
I
games.
never, yeah, no. I remember that he was the co-coach with Ufatu.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
I wasn't impressed. Me personally, it's not. If you
But
were
now,
a Pirate,
but now you don't think mhlawumbe ufundile something kulo coach wami.
I do, but for me to develop my youngsters because I feel like a Pirates ishintshile the model a game altogether the way they want to go about it. Yabona, they buy unknown players, they develop or they take from it development yabo and invest there. For me personally, ngifisa kuba uRolani ayikabi.
Fulo Roland.
Yes.
Hayi ke asazi mabhakani and comment.
let,
Umandla or Roland.
let us know.
But
ukuthi
Roland was
who's
given a
your
chance.
favorite?
Roland was given a chance at Pirates.
That,
What did he achieve?
for me, that's a person who's learned, who's grown. In fact, ever since he left Pirate.
Okay, let me ask you
That's
something.
for me.
Let me ask you something based on Roland. Roland ne go Sundowns.
Yeah.
Bathole Sundowns yaphitha. Ila wena khona ini? I-league.
Yeah.
Angithi.
Yeah. Yes.
And then after ispell sakhe go Sundowns. Waya phi? Ewaited. Actually uzile na Pirates.
Yeah. That's
What
okay.
achieved?
Okay. With Pirates, I can die achieve.
Correct.
He had the short
and then Sagwe died.
kahle
Sagwe
with
died.
Pirates.
What achieved?
Why that? There are two different manufacturers. There are too many factors. Ongawabala. I know it sounds like
Aye.
game defender.
Don't you think uRolani good if azofika ku-team ayithola vele it's doing good? Uyakhona ukumaintaina leyo.
he
But
can
he can't
maintain,
build.
but for me he can build.
Can he build?
Look at Umbala. Zowenza isibonelo ngabadlali abafana noMbala.
Uh-huh.
How good they were.
But it's easy ukuthatha uMvala umfake ku-club vele edlala kahle.
We cannot shy away from the fact that Sundowns was built long ago.
Yes.
Yes.
So uhlulekile ukubhilda Pirates. The way that usign how many players? 29 players.
But he improved
29 players.
Exactly. Okay. Ngoba usukhuluma ngaye kanje ngoba ngazothi
I'm not saying he's not a good coach. I'm not saying he's not a good coach.
Ngoba usukhuluma ngaye kanje, it's fine. Let me tell you, usayine ama players that angithi why that were banned, you were transfer banned for.
Yes.
I think it's 2 years or 18 months.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Emva kwalapho, what happened is when he came to the team, they were just Ben, he had just bisiphelile kahle kahle. So he had to sign players. But previous season, why that had finished sixth, the budget ibingekho. Some of the players ukuthi I had ngizothini, the advantage because I've listened to two of his previous or last interviews, in fact, with Zola Machava.
Okay, fine.
So
ufuna ukutshela ukuthi ngilalelile eyi-one.
Yes.
Ufuna ukutshela ukuthi based on what he said ukuthi i-language barrier what lonke lento leyo.
not to deliver in the same season, in the first season. That's my point. He finished third, and we actually look at the
Okay, number
reason
two,
why,
Chama.
the reason why, yes, the reason why, uh, uh, Ebuyile, it's not because of the result. So, and in some of the interviews, he even says what the goal was not to win the league.
It thrown cup.
Angithi
The noise was too much after Puma
yes, phela fans are fans. But ukuthi ngiyilandelile this thing yabo manje ngizokufikela nokunye
No,
engazi
nothing
ukuthi-
is like delete.
yes,
Yes.
angithi you know the ukuthi utheni president why that about that. The team has not won the Throne Cup for 20 years.
Yes.
It's unfair to judge him off the Throne Cup. It was going to be good that he had won it, but whatever.
He should have done,
Anyways,
he
it's
should have done,
semi-finals.
he should have done the Navi thing. Win net back.
Uzuqalile.
So okay, Pirates, let's just hope ukuthi they'll get the coach or
Yeah.
announce a coach.
Yeah, at least another thing. Speaking about the Pirates, and I like the point that you are raising. At least if they announce the coach, ukuthi i-philosophy ye-team or i-model ye-team ikanjani in terms of like the signings, at least akube coach that has impact ukuthi I want this type of a player. Yes, Tina, we know very well ngaphakathi ukuthi we using players that are unknown or we'll sign the players that are not, but as per coach's recommendation.
Yeah. No, ngiyakubamba.
Yes, because it's unfair to say coach naba badlali then produce results. What if coach is not even?
Akuwona amathulusi abadinga.
Yes.
They are amathulusi engawasebenzisi. So ayikho right. Now let's just hope you guys you will announce your coach, then take it from there. Siboneke.
True.
Yabo.
Yeah, I also hope so.
Okay, let's have the Club World Cup.
Club World Cup. Okay, first maybe let's congratulate. Before we move to a Club World Cup, let's congratulate Senegal on their trapping of England. Yeah, Bashile 3-1.
That moment,
we are so happy of
England
African.
quarter first.
He got a first.
Yeah.
I didn't watch
Okay.
that game, eh?
They quarter first England, and then it was 1-1. It was 2-1, and then they scored to make it 2-2. VAR and no cancel goal, and then it was 3-1.
Good. VAR.
VAR 17. So yeah, congratulations to Senegal. Yeah. They did it unexpected.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, I did watch that game. It was a proper game.
Yeah. Moving on to the Club World Cup, we know that about Jude Bellingham.
Why you more Club World Cup? Why you more Club World Cup? You don't congratulate Sundown.
No, I'm going there. I'm going there, Chief. It's just that Sundown. Hey, i-Sundowns senza size sibeka ukuthi siyayizonda kanti yazi ama-rivals the-Chiefs, the Pirates of South Africa.
Sundown is just another team.
Yabo, by the way.
No, let's be serious about it. Sundown is playing a Club World Cup, Baba.
Yeah. But jokes aside, truthfully so, they deserve. They are the best team in South Africa, not in Africa because of pyramids, obviously. We won't get into those details, but yeah, they deserve it. They've been consistent in South Africa for how many years? Over 10 years. I know that they've won the league 8 years in a row, but that was boiling before the league was the first league was won. Yeah, no.
So with Club World Cup, babona baphele
with Club World Cup, to your surprise, I feel like Sundowns will go past group stages.
Even
Even if without Thembazwane, watching those I think it's only the Borussia Dortmund
Uh-huh.
engapose
Engaba
a threat, and it's good that it's not the first game because it means that it won't kill their
Yes.
momentum.
Like if they can play the first one and play
Yes,
draw, no win,
confidence. Yes,
then bazoba sharp.
yes. So I feel like that's my own prediction. Anything over and above that,
I don't want to make
share
any
mine.
predictions.
Angifisi
Number,
kuzobe sekubingcile.
I don't want to make any predictions. So I think it is a regalo for me. I'm going to
Mm.
watch the first game.
Yeah.
Then I comment based on that. And saying,
You'll decide from there.
but also it's not only them. If we look at our African teams,
Oh, okay.
we have
I don't see
Al-Ahly.
why that going anywhere. That's the first one. I know after my
Esperance.
comments about Rulani, you will feel like I know. But
Personally, why that?
no, I've watched them playing
Are you
two
born in
of
Zulu?
the.
Go
I've
from
watched,
stages.
no, they were preparing for a Club World Cup. I think they played with Sevilla. They were
We
beaten
shall
1-0.
What's your take in my
They-
comment? Why that is what Lula group stages? Esperance.
Esperance. I don't think Esperance will
Hi,
go through
hi,
either.
Mkwana, I'm
Hey.
terrible, Mkwana. Hey, yeah.
Yeah,
This one.
Esperance. I think in North African teams,
Faro, okay?
i-problem esinayo, we call it. I-problem abanayo, it's because they don't have like the base of football in a way. I don't know. Maybe when you are South Africans, we view, yes, we view football differently.
So
That's it.
you don't see our African teams are managed.
The only one that may pull out a surprise is Al Ahly. I don't know how strong they will be. Yeah, but I don't want to comment a lot about them.
Got the honest when the Santana for the Puma early.
Well, well,
I don't know. I'm behind the Sundowns, guys. I'm supporting Sundowns to go Club World Cup. Vunabahame ba push to actually win it. Yes, it's obvious, but it will be nice to have a South African team that's actually winning this thing,
Yeah, true.
Because it's like you pushing football it to another level. Like the whole world needs to know about South Africa. South Africa, we know football. So I'll be happy if they reach a certain stage.
They know of Pirates. They know about Pirates.
I cheap.
Fans all over the world.
Netbank. So I can't talk too much about that.
It's a cool.
Yeah. So go Club World Cup, we just hope it's done. Is over. In your team. Let's hope it's over. What are we missing?
Yeah, at least. I think. Okay, the transfers.
We did speak about transfers.
The Club World Cup transfers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, just to touch base. I think also it's fair for our listeners or to tell them our predictions about the Club World Cup. Which one to take it? Not about the ones that we hope they do well only. Yeah, well, what's your prediction?
Who's gonna take it?
Yeah.
I chief. Since Barcelona is not there.
Guys,
obvious. I was going to say Yo. I can't think. It can be you.
Okay.
Yes.
By being me, it's Real Madrid.
Can't be Madrid.
Just so you know, guys.
I can't be City.
But City made good recruitments there.
I can be
so
City.
And they are confirmed. It's not rumors, Chief.
I can be City. I don't know,
Four
guys.
of them.
I don't know. But what's your prediction, guys? Who's taking the Club World Cup?
Yeah.
Maybe
I'm biased. Let's leave this one to you guys.
You want to say Madrid?
Obvious.
Oh, Chief. Yeah.
We didn't have a good season, Sam. But yeah, Real Madrid is always Real Madrid.
PSG is there, right?
Yeah, it is.
They just won
the league.
Yes.
Yeah.
They might surprise us.
Yeah, maybe it's fair to say the teams that we can tip or that look good to win it anyway. well, they're the obvious, like your Man Cities, your Real Madrid,
PSG.
PSG, Bayern, Inter.
Yeah. Comrades. There's no way. There's no way.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know, guys. You can comment. This show in Bona EP Club Itati Club World Cup. On
Yeah.
my side, right now I can't make any comments. Maybe after the first games,
Yeah, then you can comment.
I can tell you who's
Yeah.
winning.
Okay.
You know?
So, anyways,
Yeah.
just tune in Ikala on the 15th of June. I think Messi fans now.
So yeah, guys.
and yeah, it's Al Ali. I'll be rooting for.
I'm rooting for
Vero,
Sundowns.
and I know Messi fans will be there. 15. I'm not too sure of the time zones. We'll
Yeah.
have to look at that.
Nah, but we'll keep on dropping videos. We'll update you
Yeah.
guys what's happening, and then we'll comment. Time and again.
Yeah.
And then before you to like, subscribe, and share. If all stars are talk.
Yeah.
Football Fusion. I'm out of here.
Peace out.
Thank you.